Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by linking your account to Supercell ID so you can move progress safely. Open Settings, tap Supercell ID, then choose Create or Login. Enter your email and wait for the verification code. This confirms ownership. Once you receive the code, type it in and ensure the game shows your Supercell ID email. Doing this prevents loss and allows you to authorize a new device. Make sure the original account remains accessible until transfer completes. On the new device, install Clash Royale from the official App Store and open it. When the initial tutorial appears, pause or skip until you can reach settings. Tap Supercell ID, select Login, and enter the same email you used before. You'll get a verification code, enter it promptly. When prompted to load your existing account, confirm the switch. Once done, the game will download your profile and progress, verify trophies, cards, and clan membership to ensure a full transfer. Finish by verifying every key element: trophies, card collection, gold, chests, and clan details. Compare both devices. If something is missing, use the Supercell ID account switch option again, or open Settings right arrow help and support to contact Supercell with your player tag and purchase receipts. Make sure you keep the original device logged in until you confirm everything is present. Once satisfied, you can log out. A common troubleshooting tip: if verification codes fail, check spam folders and try a different email or resend the code.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.